Myself, Mrs. Netra Kade, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 2. Okay, students, we are starting our chapter number 32. Let's weigh. Now, students, weigh. Weight means what? Vazan. Weight means vazan. So, look, color the box below the heavier object. Now, this is a feather and this is a ball. So, which is heavier here? Heavy. Weight. Heavy and light. You know, heavy and light. Okay. So, in between this, which is heavy? Ball is heavy than the feather. So, we will color this box under the ball. Right? Color the box below the heavier object. It is said here. So, we will color the box under the ball. Okay. Now, look. Color the box below the lighter object. Now, there are two objects again, bundle of keys and a balloon. Now, you tell me which is lighter, a bundle of keys or balloon? Yes, balloon is lighter than the bundle of keys. Always remember, it is not necessary that always big object should be heavy. Understood? It is looking big, right, but it is light in weight. Okay, students, and the bundle of keys are heavy than the balloon. Okay, students, understood? Let me tell you a story. Okay, a squirrel, she is a squirrel, she has jaggery, she loves jaggery, so she wants jaggery. Okay, now she has a sister too and she wants jaggery too. Okay, so now who will help them? They both want to eat jaggery. Now this Bholu, the bear, he was watching them for jaggery, but now he came and he said, I will help you to share this jaggery. So what he did, he bring this. What is this, students? Have you ever seen? This is a type of balance. This is what? A balance. It is used to weight things. Okay. So what he did? He make pieces of the jaggery and he put between the two balances. So when both came equal, so the both share are equal. So what he made equal shares for these two. Understood? So where we find this weighing machine? In shops, right? At vegetable grocer. Okay. Look, when you go to shop and when your mother buys something, what he does? The shopkeeper, he weighs that thing, right? Like this. This is an electronic weighing machine. He put the thing on this plate and the weight shown here. Look. So this kind of balance is used for weighing things. Look. This is an electronic balance. Understood, students? Now look here. In this image, you can see a pumpkin and a pomegranate. And when weighing these things, pumpkin is going down and pomegranate comes up. It means pumpkin is heavy than the pomegranate. Pomegranate is light. Therefore, pomegranate is going up because pumpkin is light. Okay, it is heavy, so it is going down, and it is light than this, so it's going up. Understood? Look, now here is book and some marbles. Now both are in equal position. Why it is so? Because the book and the marbles are of same weight. Books and the marbles are of same weight, so we can see it at equal position. Understood, student? Let's wait. Students, your chapter is over here. Happy learning.